Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Make some noise.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Kavine here and Courtney's in the bathroom, and together we are Majestic Love. So tonight we're going out. Tonight is date night, so I already set up some stuff that I want Courtney to wear. Me, I was thinking, you know, no makeup, no nothing, but I feel like if my man's going all out, I should go all out too. So I'm gonna get ready right now, and he's gonna get ready too, and then we'll link back with you. Peace. By the way, I'm finally in Jamaica again. Okay, long story. This is what I picked out for babe to wear. White shirt, you know, keep it cool. You got two options.
What's your number?
Yeah, I saw it when I came out. You see a yellow? It soon dropped down. Saw mango, guys. Anyways, I finally got him out of the house.
Really?
And I dressed him too. Except with the shoes. He didn't want to wear the Chelsea boots, which is weird. Why he didn't want to wear the boots, babe? Tell me. First of all, say hi to the people. It's been a minute since you've been on the channel.
Guys.
And I've been here for at least 2 weeks, and I haven't even said anything to y'all. We were busy catching up on love. Anyway, we're heading to Pier 1 now, and here's babe's outfit. Boom boom. Turn around, baby. Yes, yes. You got the Clarks on, the jeans and the top, and me. Show me, baby. I wanted to see the top.
Yeah, see all that?
These are all Fashion Nova. Okay.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, baby, enough. So guys, of course Courtney hates when I'm recording, but we finally reached Pier 1. It smells like shit over here, but that's the water there. And you ready to grub, baby? I'm ready to grub. I hope they don't close soon. But this is Pier 1, Montego Bay, and we were here only a few days ago. We have to put on mask and all these things, right? Yeah.
Don't paint me thankless, just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance, still makes me
So they
anxious.
said that we were on a waiting list because babe took too long to get ready. Anyway, we're on a waiting list, so we're just here by the pier, just looking how beautiful and peaceful this all looks, right, baby? So we're here just looking out, and but anyway, we're about to wait for like 45 minutes, and she said by 8 o'clock we're not in, then they're gonna like forget about us, which is quite lame because it's like it's a Saturday night and
Seating cuts off at 8, so you expect.
but maybe it's a Saturday night,
So
so we can do better. But anyway, we're just gonna chill out right here and see what's going on. Cool. Oh, imagine this. Like, this can't be safe.
What?
This. What if somebody like falls, babe? Imagine like right here, like why is it not with a rail? Imagine if somebody come and like jump off or something, or falls or slips. You know they could sue Pier 1. You think so?
Nope.
Why? There's no rules or nothing saying. Can we sit? In my look, we're at the bar because there's no seating here, so yeah, that's what we're doing now. Waiting on some food and some liquor because I can't believe everything's shut down at like 10 o'clock. It's ridiculous. Right, baby?
Yeah.
So we're at the bar just chilling. Goofy is when you make yourself look goofy. You know? But yeah, we're at the bar. Nobody tend to us yet. Alright, so we finally got a table, y'all. Finally. So, after speaking, they got a whole Corona. And I got a second glass of Chardonnay. How you feel, baby?
Hungry.
Yeah, me too. I feel like the little thing I get tipsy. I don't feel like a bit tipsy, but not like. This yellow teal Chardonnay is doing it for me. But yeah, the mouth find me a table and we're gonna take a seat. Baby, how you feel? Corona's hitting the spot?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Tastes good?
Tastes good.
Babe, you didn't know what it tastes like before?
Yeah, I'm a beer guy. I'm a beer guy.
And I'm a Chardonnay girl.
Still,
so yeah.
Red Stripe.
What? You like Red Stripe better?
Yeah.
It's interesting. Okay. Alright, y'all. I am this close to like tipsy. I'm not too tipsy right now. Even me here look crazy, but...
Bartender, watch it now. When you compare Corona to Red Stripe, which one better? Red Stripe.
Red Stripe better? For real?
This tastes smooth and everything, but Red Stripe just have one little flavor to it.
And because of food.
And because of Jamaica.
Yeah.
You don't want to taste it too, drink it toward it. And you see.
We finally got a table. Right? I'm so excited. Then finally give me a table, so it feels very nice. Babe, what you gonna order?
Me?
I know what I want. I want the ribs.
You want rib?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a ribs. I want pasta too. Like, a part of me want ribs and a part of me want pasta.
It's a baby, sir.
Babe, I think the Corona is getting to you.
No, not Corona, not to me.
I know, but I'm just saying. Is the Corona getting to your system?
I'm getting to the Corona.
How much finger this? Remember, why don't we have to be sober to go home?
What again?
Why don't we have to be sober to go home?
One finger that 4 fingers and 1 thumb.
See? You're way too tipsy.
I know way too tipsy. You asked me a question. You never asked me how much finger you're holding up and how much finger you're holding down. I'm seeing all of them.
Funny. Guess what, guys?
Food
Finally, the food is here. What did you have, baby? You had a burger. You had pork, mashed potatoes. I have bami, ribs, jerk chicken pasta, which looks so small, by the way. The jerk chicken pasta looks so small, baby. How dare you touch mine before I touch it? You're supposed to ask me. Why is it only 2 rocks for here? But anyway, guys, we're gonna grub and then call you back, baby. Tell them how you feel.
Okay, great.
Yum. We are busted. Dave is full, so we're taking it home.
Yeah.
Okay. The bus with the 2 glass of Chardonnay him, it was nice. But we're done. What do you feel, babe? How you feel?
I feel like I didn't have anything to drink.
Really? Did you order a 3rd Corona?
No, but it's not here.
Babe, because obviously you didn't want it. Let's see if she charges it. If not, then wrong. Because I need you to be at least right. And the bill is coming. Okay, guys, this is what our bill came to. Damn it. Focus. Our bill came out to $11,200. Is that $326?
Yeah.
AKA 102 US dollars. Okay. So What you think, baby? Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Corona.
You don't need that other Corona. One of us has to be very sober.
Yeah, one for the road.
We buy that on the road.
Nah.
Anyway, y'all, we're going home and then we're gonna do the do and then we're gonna fall asleep. Actually, no, we're not doing the do today. No, we're not.
Yeah, fool, man. Dead or alive. That me tell you, dead or alive.
He's bugging, y'all. We ain't doing nothing. I'm going straight to bed. I'm tired. Anyway, guys, catch you later. Majestic loves it.
Peace, I'm out.
Peace.